learned to make sweet potato casserole. It just would not be the holidays without food, especially sweet potato casserole. I wanted to help my mom cook Thanksgiving dinner, so I decided to learn how to make my favorite dish, sweet potato casserole. First, I had to go to the grocery store to get all the needed ingredients. I needed 4 cups of sweet potatoes, a half a cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of milk, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, and half a cup of chopped pecans. Once I had all the needed ingredients, it was then time for me to mix them together. In a large bowl, I mixed together the sweet potatoes, sugar, eggs, salt, butter, milk, and vanilla. I mixed until the batter became smooth. Then, once the batter was smooth, I transferred it into a 9x13-inch baking dish. I then mixed together sugar and flour in a medium-sized bowl. I then cut in the butter until the mixture was coarse. I stirred in the pecans. I sprinkled the mixture over the sweet potato mixture. After all the ingredients were mixed together, I then put the dish into the oven. But first, I made sure the oven was preheated to 325. Then I set my timer for 30 minutes. Be careful of time. It can vary depending on your oven. The sweet potato casserole came out delicious. I am so glad I learned to make this amazing dish, and you will be too. Story by KahlinHilliard. Pictures courtesy of Google Images. Edited by KahlinHilliard.